Welcome everybody on the Combat Zone 101, where I'm going to teach you self-defense and all things about personal safety, which I personally have studied. So see you in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and rate my videos so I will know what's your response for them. My name is Chris and I was training Oyama Karate for 4 years. I also have studied some techniques from Krav Maga, close quarters combat, for some army, and also Hapkido and Japanese Jiu-Jitsu. And I'm not going to say that I'm the best fighter on the world or something like this, but personally I just want to help some average Joe that doesn't know anything about self-defense in defending himself and his family, his friends. So I thought that it's a good idea to make such channel and help people getting some knowledge about this, how they should keep themselves safe on the street, at home, and in car, anywhere they are. So that's it for now, and see you in the next episode of Combat Zone 101. Bye!